What's up, guys? We are back with another auto auction update, guys. It's time to see what these things go for, so let's get right into it. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, to the YouTube account. Man, I appreciate it.
05 Honda Civic. 05 Honda Civic. Where are we at? Somebody give me $1,000. 800? 500? 300. 300 now, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, half, 3 1/2, 900 now, 9 1/4, all in, all done, sold. I'd like to see your insurance, sir. $1,100 now, 11 1/2, all in, all done, sold, $1,100. Another Impala. Number 11 1/4 now, half, all in, all done, sold, 8 1/4.
Little man, I need you on the other side of the fence, please.
Sold, $375. $2010 Hyundai Elantra from Auto World. $875 now, 9. All in, all done, sold, $875. 2007 Saturn. Oh, 2000 Saturn. I don't think they made Saturns in 2007. 2000 Saturn. It's plastic, you can put it in the dishwasher. 400 now, 4 1/4, all in, all done, sold, $400. BMW, number 3, rebuilt on the title. Rebuilt on the title for the BMW. 4 1/4 now, half, all in, all done, sold, 4 1/4. '04 Honda Odyssey. 04 Honda Odyssey, it's a grocery getter. Oh, remember the smoke is always free. We do not charge for the smoke.
300 bones.
51's an 06. 06 Toyota Avalon. 06 Toyota Avalon. We've got the title. You walk with the title today. We've got the title. You walk with the title today. Is that a small one? 06 Toyota Avalon. You walk with the title today. 16 1/2 now, 17. All in, all done, sold, 16 1/2. '04 Toyota Corolla. No, it's a Camry. 04 Toyota Camry. 04 Toyota Camry. Where are we at? 8 1/4 now, half, all in, all done, sold, 8 1/4. '2001 Nissan Sentra. 2001 Nissan Sentra, 3574.
475.
05 Ford Crown Vic. 05 Ford Crown Vic. It's got a nice size back seat. Cold AC. 5 now 6. What do you bid 6? 575 now 6. All in. All done. Sold. 575 number. 2002 Chrysler Sebring. 2002 Chrysler Sebring. Where you at, Dan? 200? 1.5. Sold. 175. Are we all in? All done? Sold. 1,500. $16, Joe Montana. 02 Dodge Neon. 02 Dodge Neon. Where are we at? It's sold. 2.5. $2002 Chevy Cavalier. 2002 Chevy Cavalier. Where are we at?
250.
35. 35, 45. Anybody? 35, 45? Who's bidder 35, 45?
35, 45.
Oh, right there. Right there. This is a Ford Escort.
Thing running rough.
23. It's a 99 Ford Escort. 175 now, 2. Are we all in? All done? Sold. 175. $18, Peyton Manning. $2,000 Dodge Caravan. 2000 Dodge Caravan. Grocery getter. $400 now, 4.25. All in. All done. Sold. $400. $31. It's an 02 Ford Taurus.
I'm motherfucker smoking, boy. You got some burning oil under there or something. And the power steering is out, look like. That thing's smoking though.
02 Ford Taurus. Where are we at? 300 now, 3.25. All in. All done. Sold. $300. 20. 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. Barry Sanders. 200? 200 now, 2.25.
Dang guys, the motor is bad. It's knocking.
200 now, 2.25. 200 now, 2.25. We all in. All done.
That thing knocking.
2.25. 2.25. All right. All done. Sold. 275. Number. Always a show. Always a show. 29's an 05 Ford Escape. 29's an 05 Ford Escape. Somebody buy this thing so we can escape this yard. Jordan. 05 Ford Escape. 05 Ford Escape. Somebody give me 800. 900 now, 9.25. All in. All done. Sold. $900. $97. 99, 40 Cotto line. Anybody want to open an ice cream stand? Now 7 1/4, all in. All done. Sold, $700. '08 Hyundai Accent. 2008 Hyundai Accent. Where are we at? So, 2.5. Now 2 1/4, all in, all done, sold, $200. 04 Dodge Durango. 04 Dodge Durango.
Got some drippage under there.
Only one bullet hole in the side. Only one. They must have been a bad shot. Leaking gas. Shut it off. Shut it off. 05 Dodge Durango. Gas leaker. Where are we at? Sold, $875, number. '04 Caddy CTS. '04 Caddy CTS. And it's smoky. Where are we at? Now 7 1/4, all in. All done. Sold, $700. Cheap metal. We sold it last week, they didn't pick it up. We sold it last week, they did not pick it up. 2000 Jeep Wrangler. 51, are we all in? All done? Sold, $5,000. $35.83.
5 bands.
'05 Ford 500. '05 Ford 500. So they want to give me 500? 200. 200, now 2 1/4. 2 1/4. 2 1/4 half. 700, now 7 1/4. 7 1/4. 700, now 7 1/4. 700, now 7 1/4. All in. All done. Sold, $700. Blocking somebody Honda. Honda minivan. They're a white Honda minivan. So they driving a white Honda minivan. Blocking somebody here. White Honda minivan. Blocking somebody in out there. All in. All done. Sold, 7.5. 43.
Oh, damn. If they wouldn't have did that, that thing would have sold for a grip. That's funny.
All right, number 2010 Mazda.
Oh, the Chinese a wrap. You got the e-brake on? God damn it, doggy.
2010 Mazda. Mazda 5? 2010 Mazda 5. I'll bid 500. 500. Now 5 1/4. 5 1/4 half. 5 1/4 now half. What do you got? Half. Now 5 1/4 now half. half, 5.5, now 75, now 75, 5.5, now 75, and 75, 575, now 600, 600, now 6.25, 6.25 half, 6.25 half, 6.5, now 75, 6.5, now 75, and 75, 675, 675, 700, 700, now 7.25, 700, now 7.25, 7.25, 700, now 7.25, 700, now 7.25, 7.5, now 775, 775, now 800, 800, 800, now 8.25, 800, now 8.25, 8.25, 800, now 8.25, 800, now 8.25, we all in? All done? So, 800 bucks.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I was able to bid on some stuff, but we wasn't able to get what we wanted, so it is what it is. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.